brand is celebrating its 40th year by reviving the Trunner family, first launched in 2000 as a hybrid running or training shoe modeled by Roy Jones Jr. and designed for athletes of all levels. Original editions like the Trunner LX and Trunner Bubble later inspired follow-ups such as the Trunner Alpha and Ultimate. Now, the 2025 strategy shifts toward lifestyle, with the iconic Trunner LX returning as a women's exclusive for summer/fall. Fresh models like the Trunner OS adopt a retro runner aesthetic reminiscent of the New Balance 992, featuring mid-foot overlays and vintage-inspired palettes. Highlighting this shift is the new Archaeo brown and Persian violet colorway, set to drop in fall 2025 at $115, joining the previously revealed all-gray version. The focus on nostalgic 1980s-1990s styles shows Jordan Brand's aim to fuse heritage performance roots with modern lifestyle appeal.